Welcome to the 2-Minute SQL Tips. Today, we'll explore 3 essential aggregate functions: sum, average, and count. These are must-haves for analyzing data and generating meaningful insights from your tables. And yes, we'll keep it short and simple. Imagine you're working with a table of sales data. You want to calculate total revenue, average order amount, and count how many orders you've received. Aggregate functions make these tasks a breeze. The sum function adds up all values in a column. For example, this is the query to use to calculate total revenue. And here is the result showing total revenue for all sales in your dataset. Next, we have the average function, which calculates the average value in a column. This query gives you the average sales amount. Here is the result showing the average size of an order. Finally, count helps you count rows or non-null values in a column. This query gives the total number of orders. And here's the result. You can also combine these functions with group by to calculate totals, averages, or counts for each group. For example, this query analyzes revenue and order counts by customer. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2-Minute SQL tips. See you next time.